Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. Through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this is a journey of investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is try to get 201 trades, each with a return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades. We do take into account losses. So for further details about how to join us for less than $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a request to estimate your losses and also key evidence allegedly destroyed by Schwab. So stay tuned for that. And then we're going to look at ticker symbol SGN, also known as signing day sports, where there was huge news for that. So before we get started, let's have a look at what's happening in the market. So from Bloomberg, first of all, we can see stocks are getting a post-Fed rally buoyed by the economic hopes, and the S&P 500 did hit an all-time high earlier today. So we have a look at this now. At one point we could see it was up 570.04. so overall a great day for the markets. And in our market news channel in the Discord, we also shared news for the Dow, and the Dow Jones was up 650 points and at 42,000 for the first time after the Fed cut. So good news there. And finally, other good news that we shared with regard to two particular stocks that we are watching. First one, Tesla, that was up 6.7%, nearing a record quarter 3 deliveries in China. And also Baba was also doing exceptionally well, where it was raising AI stakes, and also up 4% on the day. Let's now move on to have a look at the details with regard to Schwab. And what Scott has posted is they admitted to destroying the evidence in the form of emails and also deleting the audio records. And a large part of his lawsuit, where they have admitted that MMTLP was trading at 100 times its lit market. So again, quite staggering here. And he's also notified TDA that he's suing them under RICO, CFAA and also for breach of FINRA rules on 20th of December 2022, when they had a legal obligation to preserve all records. So in a follow-up message, what Scott has also posted is Schwab have backtracked, and now they are saying they found the missing audio files. So let's see if that is true. However, they are still claiming that they have deleted the emails. So what Scott has posted in response to that, he stated he needs to have a certified copy of the audio from 20th of March 2023 with regards to the conversation with himself and a person by the name of Ron Fleming. So obviously they are acknowledging that they have the missing audio, and he's also stating obviously they are allegedly have been overselling MMTLP into the 90 million plus number. And also in terms of a reminder, he's also stated that Rule 17A Part 4 requires them to require keeping the records to be preserved, as does FINRA Rule 4511, and he's moving for sanctions on Schwab and TDA there. Let's now have a look at the follow-up questions. And what he's also posted is that if you were with Schwab or TDA and you had orders on 8th of December 2022 that were marked too late to cancel in MMTLP, then go ahead and try to DM Scott. And the details he's looking for is potentially a screenshot of your trade with times and dates and a timestamp, your full name and address, and that will be used by him in his Friday filing for the court. Any communication with TDA or Schwab stating that they would or would not honour the trade. So again, it's going to be a case of you must be willing to provide this information because he will be using it. And finally, an estimate of your losses by TDA or Schwab. So a basic simple way of doing this is looking at your share count, how many shares you had, multiplied by the price. And finally, I'd like to finish off by having a look at ticker symbol SGN, also known as signing day sports. So this is a stock that had breaking news that was also shared in our live trading and alert section in the Discord, where we had news confirming that signing day sports has signed a binding term agreement to acquire a company called Swifty Global. So this was also something that was reflected very positively in the stock market. So at one point it was up close to 500%, and earlier it was trading around about 10 or 11 cents, and we can see here at one point it reached a price of 52 cents. And if we now have a look at in terms of an overview of the company profile, this is a company that is a tech company. It's developing and operating platforms, and is aiming to allow significantly more student athletes to go to college and continue playing sports. So this is the company behind the news. So we can see in terms of the press release on their page, they have confirmed here that they've signed this agreement to acquire a majority interest, an equity interest in this company, and this is breaking news with regard to September the 19th, 2024. And finally, what I'd also like to finish off by sharing with you is that today I did sell one of my swing trades, and this was for a 22% return. So if you would like to get details of this, again, details are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.